It is so cold out here. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. It's so cold. Like, it's 24 degrees. At least my car says it's 24 degrees. So, like, imagine it being 24 degrees outside. At least they got a red light now. I'm sitting here like, dang, I didn't realize all these cars are behind them, but they got a green light now, so we're good. I got it right after this car. But yeah, it's like 24 degrees outside, bro, and it feels like it's like 0. I'm literally shivering in my car. I have the heat on, but the heat hasn't kicked in yet because my car hasn't warmed up. And I just got off of work. Well, technically I got off an hour ago. I got off at like 3 something. And I want to say I made it out by like 3:20 or so, but I guess I was sitting in the parking lot for like 40 minutes. The good thing is no one has school because it's break. So like since no one has school, I'm able to like go, well, I'm able to like, you know, get on the highway and stuff without it being as much traffic, because usually around 4 o'clock there'd be some school traffic before the 5 o'clock traffic rush. And it's only a 15-minute drive, pretty much. 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to start doing these driving POVs more often, y'all. So, if you like these, let me know. I have no clue what y'all can see. Because I haven't watched back the old footage. So it's like, I have no clue what all y'all can see. I need the heat to come on. I'm so cold. Hopefully we all can make this light. This light is usually pretty good about giving all the cars on the street the green. Especially because there's so much traffic on this street that it's like you kind of have to have it green for a while. Now here comes my favorite part, merging onto the highway and going slow as I don't know what, because you have to actually merge over, and it's a bunch of people who then came from turning onto the highway. There's a truck. I just hope that this truck slows down or gets over, because I gotta get over. You guys can see what's hitting the windshield. I don't know if you can see, but like there's like little white balls hitting the windshield, and it's because it's snow. It's not like sticking, like it's not like sticking snow that like sticks to the ground in the cars. It's just been like almost kind of like a blizzard, just without the blizzard, because it's been flurrying all day. It's been making me wonder, like, is it actually gonna snow? See if we can get the heat to come on. there's no windows down. It's literally just the wind pushing my car. It's been windy all day. Oh yeah, so basically, if you guys haven't noticed, I am recording my metaglasses that I got for December gifts. One thing I will say is I really wish that Meta would give us the option to record for longer time frames, because right now they only have it to where the maximum time that you can record a clip for is 3 minutes. I wish it was something more reasonable, like 15 minutes or even 30 minutes, because a lot of people who get metaglasses mainly get them so that they can use them to create content, like doing vlogs and stuff, without having to carry like a physical camera around, especially if they're just getting into the content creation like world. So yeah, I really wish that, you know, the time would be a little bit more reasonable than 3 minutes. I understand like battery life, but 15 minutes is reasonable. I've literally collected, like, altogether my clips probably equal about 15 to 20 minutes, you know, of me driving just in 3-minute increments. So if it can handle that, I think it can definitely handle a 15-minute time limit. Okay, honestly, I have no idea why my stuff won't play, but it's okay. We're just not gonna play music. It's honestly probably because I'm recording. I'm in love with the shape of you, push and pull like a magnet too. My heart is falling through. I'm in love with your body. I can make my own karaoke. Listen. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. That's where I came from. Times I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The skies are burning me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. I know where my heat wasn't coming on now. And it was because I had my defrost on from my front windshield. That's why I wasn't feeling the breeze inside of the car. Because for some odd reason, my car is weird, okay? So it's like, you turn on the heat inside the car, but then for some odd reason, if you have the defrost on outside the car, then it doesn't blow the heat as much in the car as you would like it to. So then it's like, even though the heat's still on, you can barely feel it. It's okay. I just turned it off. Bro, they have demolished those buildings so much. Like, they literally demolished Babies R Us. Babies R Us was still up the other day, actually. And if you guys don't know, that's the Cincinnati Mills Mall that they've been demolishing. At first I was like, maybe this isn't the mall, because I live right by it. But then I realized it was the mall. It was just the fact that you can't see it unless you're on the highway, because they only demolished the back of the building. They haven't demolished the front yet. So when you're in the front of the building, it looks like nothing happened to it, and that it's just still abandoned. Okay. Oh, jeez. I was trying not to go in there. I hate that. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your home in me. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Low-key, I might have to pull on the street, so I should go to the second entrance. Because my mom might be parked in the driveway. Abandoned fridges. Not abandoned, but out of business. Alright everybody, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this driving POV, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do more. So let me know if you like the talking ones or if you want silent ones. I can't really do music ones because I don't want to get copyrighted, and I couldn't even play my music just now, so it's like, you know. But yeah, other than that though, I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, let me know what you guys think of metaglasses, you know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.